Hey everybody, what's going on? Rusty Hamrick here, and as you may know, I'm one of the certified training partners at Mailbox Power, and I want to talk to you today about one of the most powerful features that Mailbox Power offers, and that is how to build a custom mailing list. This is how you can get very specific and very granular to figure out which people in your area are exactly the right customers or clients or patients or donors or whomever it is you're looking for to build your business, right? So I'm just going to dive right in and give you a quick overview. When you first log in, of course, this is the page where you're taken. What's cool is the system differentiates between your contacts and mailing lists. So contacts are probably going to be people who you've already interacted with, people who are already in your circle or sphere or whatever. Mailing lists are going to be could be based on a neighborhood or an occupation or whatever. So we're going to come into the mailing list feature. You can see under groups, I have all these different mailing lists. Some of them I've uploaded myself from a different CRM that I use, and others I purchased right within the system, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So you come up here to this Order a Custom Mailing List button. What's awesome is you can search based on individuals or businesses. If you're somebody who prospects to businesses, I'll just show you this really quickly. Start with businesses, then go to geography, and you can do, the whole country or a specific zip code or radius around a specific address. And then under demography, the system does use SIC codes. So if you're somebody who wants to prospect, let's say, financial planners, I don't know, just to pick something, financial planners. Boom, right there. Or let's say you only want to talk to pediatricians. Pediatrics, boom, right there. Or if you only want to talk to, I don't know, let's put in real estate and see what shows up. So under real estate, you're going to have 3 pages. So you can search through these lists and see exactly the industry that you're looking for. You can also filter by number of employees, sales, years in business. If you only want to talk to people in the C-suite or women-owned companies. So again, you can get very specific about the type of prospect that you're reaching out to. For this example, I want to talk about, let's say I want to send a why rent when you can buy postcard. This would be fantastic for realtors. So we'll look for all individuals. If you are in an industry such as restaurant, like if you own a restaurant or let's see what else. If you own a salon or a spa, or if you're in an industry where you want to be in touch with people as soon as they move into an area, you can filter by new homeowners. So that would be people who have specifically purchased a new house, or new to them, not necessarily just new construction, or people who are new movers. So even people who are renting, but they're new in the neighborhood, you can filter that way. But we're going to do all individuals. Under geography, I'm going to use radius around an address. I'm just going to use my home address for the example here. And the default you can see is 2 miles. So the automatic radius is 2 miles right here. Within 2 miles of my house, there's 34,694 records. That is way too many records for me to prospect to. I could market in a general way, so I could do like a bus bench or a billboard or something like that. But I want to use this system to get very specific and very granular about who I am reaching out to, right? So I'm going to come here to the demography tab, and we'll start under household. You can filter by multifamily, single family. We'll do single family for this example. Length of residence in years. I want 2 years or longer, just again, because why rent when you can buy? It shows me that they're invested in the neighborhood a little bit. Income, you can do, really an unlimited amount here, but we're going to do $75,000 a year or more. And then again, I can filter by homeowner or renter, and we just want renters. And you'll see it goes from 34,694 people down to 334. I don't know how else you could figure out who this 1%, this is the real 1% I want to talk about, right? I don't know where else you can find this 1% of people from that mass of 34,000 plus people, right? But it gets even better. So under personal details, and again, this is going to be specific to your industry and finding your specific client, but you can filter by gender, marital status, age, let's see, birth month, ethnicity, religion is one of these, political affiliation, because, there's nothing controversial about any of those topics. But you can also filter by interests and hobbies and different careers. And under personal interests, You can filter by who they are donating to, or if they're pet owners. So if you're a vet or a dog walker or a groomer or something, you can only talk to dog owners or only talk to cat owners. It's really cool. But where I get very excited, especially because my background is in real estate, is under other. Incidentally, turning 65 years old. So if you're somebody who sells supplemental Medicare insurance, this is incredibly powerful because you can start to drip on them 6 months before their birthday, a year before their birthday, whatever you think is best. But this will tell you who those people are. It's really cool. But as I was saying, where I get super excited is under other, it's estimated credit rating. So we'll say 650 or higher. Here's the thing. If somebody has a 450 or 500 credit score, it's not a moral judgment, but I know that they're going to have a tough time getting a mortgage, and I need to be judicious about how I spend my marketing dollars. So I don't necessarily want to put my marketing message in front of somebody who's not going to be able to execute on the purchase that I'm trying to ask them to do, right? So this is just another awesome, really powerful way to make sure that my marketing is as effective as possible. So that takes it down to 293 people. So we started with 34,694, I think, people, and now we're down to 293. Again, I don't know where else you can find this level of information that easily. And so let's say I want to buy the whole list, 293 people, it's $27.69. It's a one-time fee, and that makes it less than 10 cents a lead. So again, it's crazy to get this level of information for that price. Then all you do is click buy list, and it will show up. It can take 24 hours, but it will show up in your mailing list. It's often much faster than that, but sometimes, you know, technology. It'll show up and it'll look like this. It'll say mailing list, something, something. And so with this list, if you buy individuals, you're going to get their first name, their last name, and their address. And if you buy businesses, any other information that's publicly available, you would get that as well. So phone number or email or something like that. And maybe not email, probably website, but if it's available. And the cool thing about this is once you purchase the list, you own the list. So you're not borrowing it, renting it, or leasing it from Mailbox Power. You buy it, you own it, you can do with it whatever you want. So if you are somebody who, I mean, obviously I really would recommend using Mailbox Power to reach out with these people. And with the executive package, that includes free 4x6 postcards and free 5.5 by 8.5 postcards, and that's unlimited. So if you wanted to send 10,000 postcards for free, you can do that. Postage is on you, of course, but the postcards themselves are legitimately free, right? So Mailbox Power, first way to reach out to these people, but you can also use it for door knocking if that's something that's allowed and done in your area. You could use it for geo-targeting and social media advertising. The point is that when you buy it, you own it, you can do with it whatever you want. It's very, very cool. It's one of the most powerful features of Mailbox Power. So if you don't know, we do offer a 14-day trial. It is legitimately free. You get full access to the system for a full 2 weeks, including access to the build a mailing list feature. So you can get in there, you can take it for a test drive, really see if it's something that works for you. And Mailbox Power will even send you an email on day 13 to let you know that your trial is about to end. So if it's not for you, you can cancel. But my experience has been when people start to see what the system can do, they are in it to win it, so to speak. So if you like this video, hit the bell icon. I have a bunch of other videos on my channel, which I'd love for you to check out. You can hit the subscribe button. That way you'll never miss any of the new content that I'm uploading. And there's also a link to the free 14-day trial in my description. So go ahead and sign up and reach out to me. Once you sign up, I will be notified immediately, and I'll reach out to you, and we'll make sure that you get set up so that you can achieve everything that you want with your business. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, as I said, feel free to reach out. My name is Rusty, and have an awesome day.